Hello everyone, back with me again at this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add overlay in VN Video Editor. So this is for the beginners. If you want to add an overlay, you need to add the main video first. So here is the main video that I added, and then click on this plus on picture here to add the overlay video. So click on the video or photo, and then you'll be directed to your gallery. Then you can just select the overlay that you want to add. Okay, so I'm going to add this overlay right here, and after that you can fit the size. Just zoom it in like this, and then go to blend, find the blend option, blending, and in here just choose which one that you think will fit your video the best. Okay, I'm going to go with screen. After that you can just adjust the opacity, and you're done. Just click on a check icon, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye bye.